Hey everyone, today what we have here is a delivery from the postman. Actually, I bought this like about 3 weeks ago. This is actually from dbrand. As you can see here, their envelope is actually very unique here. So you can see it's a bunch of words. It's, how do I say this? It's all the stuff that they did over the years. They just printed it here. So if you know your lore around dbrand and what they did with their collaborations and whatnot, then this is pretty much it, including the PS5, the face plates and whatnot. So I have already opened it up and removed my address because obviously I don't want to dox myself. So before we open it up, I want to show you how much I paid for this thing, okay? Because for me, we live here in Malaysia and the delivery fee is like 25 USD. It's very expensive. What I bought here is actually for the ROG Xbox Ally X. And I got the Ultra kit because during their Black Friday sales, they got a massive discount. And it's like 65 USD for the whole set, if I'm not wrong, including the free playing cards, which I have no idea why they gave it because I don't really play cards anyway, but okay. And including the shipping fee and whatnot, it adds up to about 90 USD, somewhere around there. So let's open it up. Okay, so this thing is called the dbrand Killswitch Ultra kit, and I got it for the ROG Xbox Ally X, of course, as you can see here. Okay, I will leave this aside first and let's take a look at all of the stuff that they included. So we have these playing cards here, which I don't play any cards, but yeah, you can see 57 cards. You got the dbrand logo here with the Illuminati. This design is actually fantastic, as you can see there. And 57 cards, you got all the designs here. Ooh. That looks real nice. I'm not really gonna open this because I don't play cards, and you can see there are some more codes there. Not sure what those are, but okay. If you can decipher it, then leave it down in the comment section below. And here is a card where they say it's some sort of extortion. It's basically a tip for them, or maybe like a donation, something like that. Oh, by the way, all of the playing cards have a serial number. Okay. And then, since I got the Ultra kit, they also gave me 2 microfiber cloths with the dbrand logo. I think it is compatible with the ROG Xbox Ally X. That's a joke for Apple fanboys, by the way, because they have a official microfiber cloth that has a compatibility list, which I still think is really ridiculous. And then inside the Killswitch Ultra kit, we also have 2 more tempered glass screen protectors. So you can see they tell you to shitpost with us. Okay, it's not a product, it's a culture. Okay, they're trying to make a cult out of it. And then you also have all of the accessories to help you apply the screen protector properly, including another microfiber cloth. Okay, and these 2 screen protectors, the installation process is rather manual, I would say. So you have to do the alignment yourself and whatnot. So I'm also not gonna use this because I already have my own screen protectors. There's also an Illuminati squeegee inside as well. Okay, they're really on brand with all of the Illuminati robot kind of character that they have already built. Also, screen protector, not gonna use it. I have my own. I'm gonna keep this aside. And now for the skins. Yes, plural, because I ordered the Obsidian skin and they included the triple black for free as well. So I think that's a really nice deal. So let's open it up and see. I don't quite like Obsidian because it's rather reflective and quite colorful. So imagine if you are playing your games on the ROG Xbox Ally X. I should turn on the screen. So you can see if this part here is reflective, then in certain lightings, it's kind of distracting, and you don't want that to happen when you're playing Silk Song, right? So yeah, the reason why I ordered Obsidian is because if you order Obsidian, they free you the triple black. Yeah, that's pretty much the reason why. If you order the triple black, they don't give you the free Obsidian. I don't know how their website works, but that's how it is. It looks so good. The reason why I chose triple black is because you can blend in well with the black color of the ROG Xbox Ally X, and also in whatever lighting condition, it's not distracting at all. By the way, everything that dbrand sells is made in Canada, including the Killswitch itself. So now it is time to talk about the Killswitch. So this box is rather, how do I say this, overkill, I would say. Yeah, Killswitch for the ROG Xbox Ally X. Design, yeah, they also have the Xbox certification as well. So when you open it up, it will tell you all of the features that this case has. Of course, I'm not gonna show you all of these because it's better to just show you, right? So around this side of the box here, you have some binary code. If you translate this, it means, if I pronounce Latin wrongly, then just let me know down in the comment section below, okay? It's a Novus Ordo Seclorum. It's the Illuminati logo as well. So yeah, they're really leaning on to that look. Again, made in Canada, which is real nice. It's quite rare to see stuff that are not made in China nowadays. So okay. Opening up, this is the dbrand Killswitch. Okay, we'll leave this aside. And then at the bottom here, we have the stick grips. The stick grips are looking real nice, real high quality as well. They are hard at the top, a bit squishy on the side. Okay, let's install it on the ROG Xbox Ally X. I will remove this. And there we go. Those are the stick grips. They are surprisingly snugly fitted here. You just compression fit it in. You just have to literally jam it in, and once it's in there real good. It doesn't move around, doesn't slip out, which is real good, unlike the current stick grips that I have. So okay, nice quality. The reason why I got this case is because I want something more portable, and also having this kind of front cover as well, so it is protected if I just chuck the whole thing inside my backpack. Because currently, if I put this whole thing in my backpack like this, it's gonna get all scratched up, as you can see here. Yeah, my backpack is not really that safe for this device. So the Killswitch installation process is gonna be a bit more tough because you do need a lot of strength. So let's do it right now. You have to fit it in, make sure all of the flaps are outwards. This flap is outwards, and then you push it all the way in deep. Then what you do, you pull this. Oh, it's gonna be a bit finicky. You have to press the trigger down, pull this upwards, and wrap it around. They say the dbrand Killswitch is not gonna be damaged, and your device is also not gonna be damaged, but it's gonna be real tough. Okay, then just wrap it around the left and right buttons, and there you go. It is installed. Now you have to take out the adhesive by just separating both sides. And then pulling it through. You have to keep this pull tab, by the way, because if you want to remove the case, then you have to use back these two tabs. And there you go, the installation is done, and as you can see here, actually you can't really see, you can only feel that this grip here is having those kind of I don't know if I should call it the 1+1 with the sandstone finish. It's kind of similar. It is a very rough finish, and it offers tremendous amounts of grip, especially if you're a sweaty gamer playing Silksong, your palms sweat a lot, and if you don't want the handheld device to slip off from your fingers, then yes, this kind of material is excellent. And the overall precision cut is real nice. So power button, audio jack, micro SD card reader, your fan, the volume buttons. The volume buttons, they have this kind of plastic cover which does rattle a bit if you shake it around. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Yeah. And then you also have the LED, activity LED, and the battery indicator LED cutouts as well, and then the two USB-C ports. Also, two more vents at the back here as well. And for the air intake, they do have this kind of metal mesh looking thing at the back here, which is a nice material to have. And then the M1 and M2 key cutouts are also excellent. This kickstand is something that I'm not really a big fan of because it's so big. I don't know why. And this kickstand does have two micro SD card slots as well. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can store micro SD cards here. One here, another one here. I don't know. They probably learned this from the Nintendo Switch cases and whatnot, but I'm really not gonna use micro SD cards on this device anyway. And for the front cover, this is a pretty straightforward kind of accessory. So you just, let me turn off the device. You just wrap it around. Top side first. Make sure this goes over the bottom lip. Then you just press it down. Yeah, it's gonna take some getting used to since the whole thing does need quite a bit of force to wrap it around the entire handheld device. And once it does, this is how it looks. You can then just throw it into your backpack without worrying about the joysticks getting damaged or the device getting scratched or whatsoever. Everything is protected. As for the kickstand, it will have this kind of angle to stand at. I'll show you this way. I think it's pretty good. If you want to use the device like a laptop with an external keyboard and mouse, then this angle is going to be much more ergonomic. So if you just put it like this, then you are staring it down like this. Kind of okay, I guess. Better than the included stand in the box. So yeah, that is the dbrand Killswitch. Is this a good case for you to buy at this kind of price? Well, I would say it depends on you, because to me personally, I would say it's quite okay, especially with all of these accessories included as well. The tempered glass is important. The skin, well, to me, not so important, but it is a very nice touch, and the stick grips are excellent. If you don't want to pay this price though, we do have yet another case from another brand for the ROG Xbox Ally X that we will do a comparison with in a future video. So do hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you guys in that video. Overall, dbrand, you did a really good job. It just took a really long time to ship over. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.